We finally have our new iPhone 15 set up. Now it's time to protect it. We bought this $4 case off of Amazon, and we'll include a link to it. This is the cheapest case we could find. Let's see how it works. All right. We got some package in here. It's just a thermoplastic silicone. Nope, not silicone, thermoplastic. We'll see if it yellows too. That's a common problem with these TPU cases. I forgot what the U stands for, but I'm going to go ahead and pop this in. Looks like the USB-C ports, the speaker holes, everything lines up nicely. The buttons work. Right. Buttons work. Got access to the slider. You could probably stuff in an ID card in the back of here, or a $20 bill, or whatever denomination you use in your country, and you're ready to go. $4. We've got our iPhone protected.